subscribe and turn on your notification button. We will be talking about how you can speak right and become a voice to be sought after. Then we will delve into life issues. It's a whole life journey, and I sure promise to make it worth your while. Thank you again for coming. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. And if you have subscribed, please share, like, and tell everyone about KNHB. Thank you again for joining us. Welcome back to episode 6 of your Speak Right series. So, as promised, last time we said we'd be talking about diphthongs and triphthongs. We'll be considering diphthongs and triphthongs. Remember, we're coming on a journey. We're talking on the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. We rounded off on the monophthongs, so we're going on to the diphthongs and triphthongs. Diphthongs, you have sounds A. Remember we said monophthongs do not glide, but diphthongs and triphthongs are considered impure vowels because they glide. They glide. So you have sound E and A combined to make the diphthong A. There's a glide from the E to the A. It gives you the sound A. A. Next is the sound I. I. A combines with A and you get the sound I. O combines with A, it gives you the sound oi, oi, oi. And then the next one, the schwa sound combines with the sound oo, and it gives you o, o. And then the sound a combines with the sound oo to give you ow, ow. The sound e combines with the schwa sound, and then you have ear. The sound e combines with the schwa sound, gives you the sound air. And then the sound oo combines with the schwa sound to give you the sound u. So let's go over again the diphthongs from beginning. Now we have the sounds a, I, oi, u, ow, o, ear, air. So when we look at the word examples, it brings it home and makes it a lot easier. The sound A, you find it in words such as pay, day, say, stay, sail, hate, mate, late, great, take, same, lame, age, straight, state, wail, praise, face. And there are a whole lot of other examples, like I always say. And then you have next the sound I. You find it in words like lie, tie, die, mine, shy, sky, sly, kind, white, high, drive, cry, fight, smile, bright, rice, kite, fry, dice. The sound oi you find in words such as coil, boil, troy, coy, noise, annoy, soil, spoil, foil, loiter, poise, loin, groin, coin. The sound O is found in words such as sow, know, grow, row, dough, smoke, gross, fellow, doze, frozen, bowl, plateau. The sound ow is found in words such as cow, house, loud, plow, foul, town, round, pound, lounge, gown, bounce, clout. The sound ear is found in words such as hear, mare, beer, deer, fierce, ear, cheer, clear, tear, diphtheria, deer, sear, steer. The sound air is found in words like chair, air, stare, bear, scare, care, tear, spare. The sound U is found in words like poor, tour, sure, Joshua, Europe, Euro. And so those are the long vowel sounds, the diphthongs, and then we're going on now to look at the triphthongs. The triphthongs are a combination of the long vowel sound and the schwa sound. So the ow sound combines with the schwa sound, it gives you the triphthong hour, hour. The a sound combines with the schwa sound to give you air. You see there's a glide from the diphthongs into the schwa sound, and then you have hour, air. O combines with the schwa sound, you have Oi combines with the schwa sound, gives you oya. I combines with the schwa sound, gives you aya. We'll take sentence examples, or we'll even take word examples, so we'll bring it home and make it clearer. So word examples of the triphthongs now. Aya, you have it in words such as liar, plier, tire, higher, iron, dryer, lion. Aya, you have it in words like prayer, Naomi, soothsayer, Ghanaian, bricklayer, slayer, payer. Oya, you have it in words like lawyer, royal, loyal, employer, destroyer, sawyer. And then the oa, you have it in words like lower, knower, sower, slower, follower, borrower, widower. And finally we have the sound hour in words like hour, power, tower, bower, sour, shower, flower, empower, cower. So those are the triphthongs, and so we've taken the diphthongs and triphthongs, and that's where we'll round up for today. When we do come again, we'll do a recap. We'll look at word contrast. We'll look at word contrast of the short vowel sound and long vowel sounds. We'll contrast the words before we go on to consonant sound. So thank you again for joining us. If you're a first-time subscriber, please hit the subscription button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. And remember, when you speak right, you become a right speaking person.